Think about this, an AI influencer that posts a mini vlog for you every single day. You don't record anything, you don't show your face, and still, the videos get views, followers, and brand attention. In these mini vlogs, people want to see simple daily moments. What did she do today? What did she eat? Where did she go? And what is she using for her face care or daily routine? This type of content feels real, relatable, and personal. That's why mini vlogs are exploding right now. People prefer short, daily lifestyle content more than long videos. I have already started my own AI mini vlog page using this exact method. And in this video, I will show you step by step how you can create something like this yourself. From creating the AI influencer using Nano Banana Pro, to generate mini vlog videos using Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 Pro, and automating the full process. So let's start. Today, I'm gonna use ArcHeads AI because this single tool gives us access to some of the top image and video AI models in one place. First of all, try ArcHeads AI using the link given in the description below. It's a special link, so you may get an extra discount as well. Once you sign up, just create a new project. Simple. Now, the interesting part is that in ArcHeads AI, there are multiple ways to create an AI influencer because it supports powerful video models like Sora 2 Pro, Veo 3.1, Kling 2.6, and Seedance 1.5. That's why this tool is so powerful. So for this tutorial, let's start by creating our first AI mini vlog using Google Veo 3.1. Just stay with me and follow the steps exactly. I promise, this is going to be exciting. First of all, we need to create a unique AI influencer. And for that, we'll use Nano Banana Pro. So simply select Image, then go to Image Settings, and here choose the image model Nano Banana Pro. Now, at this stage, you'll need a prompt. Always remember, the more detailed your prompt is, the more realistic and high quality your image will be. That's why I've already created a doc file where I've added all the prompts that I'm using in this video. So I'll just copy the first image prompt from there and paste it into ArcHeads AI. Then click on Generate Image. Don't worry about credits here. Your credits won't be lost during image generation. You can generate unlimited images until you get the perfect one. All right, now our first image is generated. It looks good, but it's not perfect yet. The reason is, in one hand, she's holding a phone, and with the other hand, she's also holding something, which doesn't feel very realistic. So I want to regenerate this image. I'll simply go to Edit, and here I'll add a correction prompt, then regenerate the image. All right, now you can see the mobile phone has been removed from the hand, and the pose looks much better and more natural. This looks good now. The correction prompt I used is remove the mobile phone from this image and pose in a vlog style position. Now let me explain the strategy. This is our script and it has 3 scenes. So what I want is to generate a separate video for each scene. And for that, we also need 3 different images. We've already created the first one. For the second image, I'll again edit the image, then click on the image icon and upload a product image, which in this case is a women's face wash. After that, I'll add a small prompt here and click on Generate Image. That's it. So now, for scene 2, the second image is also generated. And using the same method, I have already generated the third image as well by changing the prompt slightly. So basically, for all 3 scenes, we now have 3 different images ready. You can clearly see that all the images look different from each other, which is very important for a natural and realistic mini vlog flow. Now, the work with Nano Banana Pro is completely done. Next, we'll use Veo 3.1 to generate our first mini vlog video. So what I'll do is, I'll click on the video icon on the first image. This means the image is now selected for video generation. After that, go to Video Settings and here choose the Veo 3.1 model. All right, now I'll go to the script and copy the first scene, then paste it here. After that, simply click on Generate Video. And yes, the video usually gets generated within 5 minutes. Let's wait and see.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my new mini vlog. A lot of you have been asking me one thing lately, which face wash I actually use every day.
Wow, amazing. So this is our first scene, and honestly, it already looks really good. Now let's do the same thing for the second image, where the influencer is holding the face wash. Again, I'll select the image, copy the script for scene 2, and paste it here. Now, one important thing to understand here is that in the Veo 3.1 model, you don't get an option to upload a separate product image. That's exactly why we already created this product holding image using Nano Banana Pro. This step is very important, so don't skip it. All right, now I'll click on Generate Video. Okay, the second video is also generated now. Let's check it.
So before I start my day, I always wash my face with this Dermalogica. It's professional grade skincare and I love how gentle it feels on my
Amazing. The flow, the movement, and the overall vibe feel very natural and perfect for an AI influencer mini vlog. Before generating the last scene, let me explain something important. Since Veo 3.1 can generate only up to 8 seconds of video, Arcades gives you a very useful feature called Scene Extend. This is honestly a lifesaver. So let's try it together. I'll open one of the generated videos and click on Extend. Now here, you simply have to describe how you want the video to continue. For example, I type something like, "Please continue with this line," and then I copy paste the next scene script. That's it. Within 5 minutes, the extended video will be generated. The prompt I used here is, "My face feels clean, fresh, and never dry after using it." Then I click on Generate Video. Let's play it.
So before I start my day, I always wash my face with this Dermalogica. It's professional grade skincare and I love how gentle it feels on myself with the balls. My face feels clean, fresh, and never dry after using it.
See? Arcades AI has smoothly extended the video without any issues at all. This is honestly amazing. So now I've shown you 2 different methods to create videos for different scenes. You can follow whichever method feels easier or more comfortable for you. For now, I've also generated the last scene using the first method. So at this point, I have all the video clips ready, and boom, your first AI influencer mini vlog is ready. Super easy. But wait, there's still one thing missing, and that is captions. These days, short-form videos feel incomplete without captions. So the good thing is, Arcades also gives you an auto captions feature. Just click on See More, go to Tools, and then select Add Caption. After that, choose your videos and click Generate. This will cost 0.3 credits, so keep that in mind. And done. Now, simply open any video editing software, import all these clips, and merge them together.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my new mini vlog. A lot of you have been asking me one thing lately, which face wash I actually use every day.
So before I start my day, I always wash my face with this Dermalogica. It's professional grade skincare and I love how gentle it feels on my
I use it every morning, especially on busy days like this. Fresh skin really changes the whole mood. All right, let's get ready and start the day.
Captions are automatically added to all your videos, easily and cleanly. And just like that, you now have a fully automated AI influencer mini vlog ready to post. Now let me show you how to use Sora 2 Pro. Don't worry, this is also very easy. There are 2 simple methods and I'll explain both clearly. The first method is the easiest one. Just click on See More, then go to Presets and click on Product Showcase. Here, you'll see some pre-made AI characters. Let's choose one of them. All right, now you'll notice an option to upload your product image. So I simply upload my product image here. After that, just copy paste the full script and click on Generate Video. That's it. Your Sora 2 Pro video will be generated without any extra effort.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my new mini vlog. Before I start my day, I always wash my face with this Dermalogica cleanser. It's professional grade skincare that feels super gentle, leaves my skin clean and fresh, and never dry. I use it every morning, especially on busy days.
Now let's talk about the second method. This method is for people who want to create a video from scratch with a new influencer. So first, I upload an image where the girl is holding the product in her hand. Then I go to Settings, select the Sora 2 Pro video model, and copy paste the complete prompt, which also includes the script. After that, I click on Generate Video. But wait, the video didn't generate. Why? Because Sora 2 Pro does not support this type of input. Instead of an influencer image holding the product, you need to upload only a single product image. So this time, I upload just the product image and generate the video again. And boom, now the video is generated successfully.
I use this face wash every morning, especially on busy days like this. It leaves my skin feeling really clean and fresh, not dry at all. Fresh skin honestly changes the whole mood. Alright, let's get ready and start the day.
No doubt, the video quality is really good. In this model as well, you can remix the video and even extend the scenes just like before. So you can try whichever method feels more suitable for your workflow. Overall, if I'm being honest, I personally liked the Veo 3.1 method more because it gives you more flexibility and control. But again, both options are powerful. You can test them yourself and decide what works best for you. Alright, so this was the complete tutorial on how you can start a mini vlog page using an AI influencer. And honestly, once you understand this process, the possibilities are crazy. Using this same exact method, you can continuously create mini vlogs on different topics without any break, without burnout, and without depending on anyone. On top of that, by using Nano Banana Pro in unlimited mode, you can also create Instagram posts, stories, and carousels with the same AI influencer. This helps you build a strong, consistent brand presence across your entire profile, not just on videos. So go ahead and try Arcades AI. You'll find the link in the description below. And one more important thing, if you want to learn how to create ads, product reels, and promotional videos like this using AI, then comment below and let me know. I'll bring a brand new step-by-step tutorial very soon.